Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 New Collection RC Helicopters Professional Review 2025.
Number 4.
Tips for the Yuseong F08 Optical Flow Version Helicopter. Fly in open areas for best stability. Use optical flow for precise indoor hovering. Charge fully before use. Avoid strong winds. Calibrate gyroscope before flight. Practice basic controls for smooth operation.
Number 3.
Feature: RTF with battery package included. Sad face as you choose. EC135 Scale RC Helicopter *1. 3200 mAh battery *2. The Robin EC135 is a premium, scale RC helicopter that brings your passion for flight to life. Designed with precision engineering and crafted for enthusiasts, this helicopter captures the iconic look and feel of the Jet Ranger in stunning detail.
Number 2.
The Robin RTF 450 size EC135RC helicopter features a striking yellow-blue tail design and a realistic 4-blade rotor system. Ideal for scale model fans, it offers stable flight, durable build, and comes ready to fly, perfect for both collectors and skilled hobbyists.
Number 1.
The Flywing EC135RC helicopter is a 6CH470 size scale model with a 1:16 ratio and 4-blade rotor system. Designed for realistic flight, it features precise control, durable construction, and eye-catching yellow livery, ideal for enthusiasts seeking scale performance and detail.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.